Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw a simple poppy flower. Let's start with the flower itself, and we're going to create the flower. So in irregular sort of almost a circle. And this is the outer petals of the flower. Bringing in some variation, little bumps. Then bring in some of the petals into the middle like so. This one's going to come in like this. This one's going to come around. So we've got a few petals of varying sizes. In the middle, we're going to bring out a lot of little lines coming out like this. Now if you want to use a thinner marker you can. I'm using a fairly thick pen here. Notice how I'm just bringing them all out from the middle like that. It's almost like a fancy sun, and then you can put some little lines coming in through like this. And notice how I'm flicking them back towards the middle of the poppy flower. There's one poppy flower. Let's put a stem on that. Come down, come down. Then we're going to bring some leaves off. And these leaves are similar to this. And then this one's a bit more side on, so you only see a little bit of that leaf there. Bring that back into the stem. There's another little bit here. Just a one branch leaf. Bring the stem down. Now I'm going to have another flower coming up here, but before I do that, I'm going to put some leaves coming in over the top. So put those fingers sort of leaves coming out like that. Two lines under this leaf, then we've got a bit of an irregular leaf there. We've got a stem that's going to come up through here behind this leaf. Bring it out like that. Bring that down in behind there. We might decide that we want to have a leaf coming off here. Like so. And then continue this up. This one's a little bit different. We can see the base of that. Now we're going to have a petal that's close to us like this. Then we're going to have a petal that's out that side. This is going to be the middle of the flower now because it's more side on. We're going to draw it like that. And then we're going to have a petal coming out from there, bump that around. Another petal coming around like this. And you might see a bit of the side of this one. And then we're going to bring some lines coming back towards the middle of the flower of the poppy. Now we can put some, I'm going to put some more leaves on here. And out this way as well. So it's up to you if you want to put these extra leaves on the time. Putting some more leaves, that one's more side on, and we'll make this more of a front on one. So we'll have the leaves going out each side like that. And then we'll have a few more out here as well. Almost a bit like antlers, aren't they, these leaves? And then let's bring some out here to finish this off. Now remember, if I've gone too quick, you can slow it down at any stage. And the more you practice this type of drawing, the better you're going to get. And there we have a simple poppy flower.